Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a classic Korean dish bibimbap. It's not only colorful and healthy but also packed with flavor. Perfect for lunch or dinner. Here's what you'll need: cooked white rice, or you can use brown rice for a healthier option. A variety of vegetables: spinach, carrots, zucchini, mushrooms, and bean sprouts. Optional protein like beef, chicken, or tofu. A fried egg or a sunny side up egg. The famous Korean chili paste. Sesame oil, soy sauce, garlic, and sesame seeds for seasoning. Start by preparing your vegetables. Wash and cut them into thin, uniform strips. Sauté each vegetable separately in a pan with a little sesame oil, salt, and garlic. This keeps the flavors distinct and preserves the vibrant colors. For spinach, you can blanch it quickly in boiling water. Then season with sesame oil and a pinch of salt. Bean sprouts can be lightly boiled for 2 to 3 minutes and then drained. If you're adding beef or chicken, marinate it with a little soy sauce. Garlic and sesame oil for 10 minutes, then stir fry until cooked. This adds extra flavor to your bibimbap. Now, let's assemble the bowl. Start with a serving of warm rice at the bottom. Arrange each vegetable around the rice in sections so it looks colorful. Place the cooked protein on top if you're using it. Then add the fried egg in the center. Presentation is key. Bibimbap should look like a rainbow on your plate. Add a generous spoonful of gochujang on top. Drizzle with sesame oil and sprinkle sesame seeds for an extra nutty flavor. Now it's time to mix everything together thoroughly before eating. Each bite should combine rice, vegetables, protein, and spicy sauce. And there you have it, your homemade bibimbap. It's healthy, delicious, and fun to eat. Try it at home, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy Korean recipes. Enjoy!